Hey, it's Mishi here. Today I will talk about the perfect crunchy onion rings recipe. Let's get started. 2 large onions sliced into rings, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup breadcrumbs, 1 cup buttermilk, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 teaspoon black pepper oil for frying. 1. Prepare the coating. In a bowl, mix flour, salt, paprika, garlic powder, and black pepper. 2. Dipping process. Dip each onion ring in buttermilk, then coat with the flour mixture. Dip again in buttermilk and finally coat with breadcrumbs for extra crunch. 3. Heat the oil. Heat oil in a deep frying pan over medium-high heat. 4. Fry until golden. Fry the onion rings until golden brown and crispy. This usually takes about 2-3 minutes per batch. 5. Drain and serve. Place them on a paper towel to remove excess oil. If you loved this crunchy treat, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes.